Tired of your documents looking generic? Let's inject some personality and branding by adding your logo in Microsoft Word. First, open your Word document and navigate to the Insert tab on the ribbon. Now, click on Header and choose the blank option. This opens the header area at the top of your page. You can also use the footer if you prefer. In the Header and Footer Tools Design tab, click on Pictures to insert your logo image. Browse to the location where your logo is saved on your computer and select your logo file. Don't panic if your logo looks huge. We need to resize and position. Click on the logo to select it. Use the corner handles to drag and resize the logo to a suitable size for your document. Holding down the Shift key while resizing keeps the proportions correct. Click and drag the logo to position it where you want it in the header or footer. Common spots are the left, right, or center. Refine the position more by using the Position button and choosing a preset position. This can also adjust how text wraps around the logo, but that's not necessary in the header. If you want the logo to appear on every page, make sure the different first page box is unchecked in the Header and Footer Tools Design tab. Now, click Close Header and Footer. And that's it. Your logo is now professionally placed in your document, reinforcing your brand on every page. Subscribe for more quick tips to elevate your document game.